Make money on Fiverr without any skills 2025. Want to start making money online, but feel like you don't have any skills? What if I told you that you can start earning on Fiverr today, without being a designer, a writer, or a tech expert? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll show you 5 proven Fiverr gigs that require 0 skills to get started. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Norbipol TV channel, where we talk about online income, freelancing, and making money smarter. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable money making tips. Today's topic is super exciting: how to make money on Fiverr without any hard skills. Yes, it's possible, and I will show you exactly how. Just stay with me until the end of this video. Let's start. What is Fiverr? If you're not familiar with Fiverr, it's an online marketplace where freelancers offer services starting at $5. You can find gigs for graphic design, writing, video editing, and thousands more. But here's the secret: not every gig on Fiverr needs advanced skills. Some of them are based on tools, templates, or simple tasks that anyone can do. 5 Fiverr gigs you can do with no skills. 1. Background removal for photos. You can use free tools like remove.bg to instantly remove backgrounds from photos. Many online sellers need this for their product images. Charge $5 per image, do 10 images in 30 minutes, that's easy money. 2. Canva. Based social media posts. No graphic design skills? No problem. Use Canva templates to create social media posts for businesses or influencers. Just customize text, download, and deliver. Tip: offer packages 10 posts for $25 or more. 3. Spokesperson or voiceover using AI tools. Use free or paid tools like Synthesia or 11 Labs to create AI voiceovers or videos. You don't have to be on camera, just plug in text and generate content. Clients pay for what looks professional, not for how you made it. 4. Product mockups. Use platforms like Placeit to create realistic t-shirt, mug, or book mockups. Designers or authors pay for professional-looking product previews. No Photoshop required. 5. Simple data entry or file conversion. These gigs are still in demand. Convert PDFs to Word, type scanned documents, or organize Excel sheets. You just need attention to detail and time. How to stand out and get orders. Create a professional gig title. Example: I will remove backgrounds from 10 photos professionally. Use a clear, eye-catching thumbnail. Add a short video explaining your gig, even using screen recordings. Offer fast delivery and great customer service. Then, ask your first few clients for reviews to boost credibility. So, there you have it. 5 easy Fiverr gigs you can start today without any special skills. All you need is a little creativity and consistency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below which gig you want to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more real ways to earn money online. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start is now.